Listen, you see, man made the cars to take us over the road. Man made the train, oh yeah, to carry the heavy load. And man made the electric light to take us out the door. Man made both of the water, la la, ooh, like Noah made that ark. This is a man's world, yeah. But it would be nothing like that without a woman or a girl. Where my ladies at? Yeah, without a woman or a girl. You see, oh, man thinks about the little bitty baby girls and the baby boys. Man made them happy. This man gave them toys. And after man make everything he can, yeah, yeah. You know, man make that money. That money. Buy from the other man, yeah. This is a man's world, yeah. But it won't be nothing without a woman or a girl, yeah. Without a woman or a girl, oh Lord, yeah. You think this is a man's world? Or you men, you think this is a man's world? Over there in the back, I see. Grab a seat. Cause you think this is a man's world. But it wouldn't be nothing, y'all. Ooh, I mean nothing without a woman or a girl, yeah. Let me tell y'all something. Should I tell them the story? I haven't told this story in a while. Y'all ready for a story?
Yeah! Tell it!
You want me to tell it?
Tell it!
So Man's World, this is a Man's World, written by James Brown, right? Legend. So I thought about the song, and I always think about the lyrics and, like, you know, what artists, what were they thinking when they wrote the song? You know what I mean? So this is a man's world. So I thought to myself, James Brown, he was in the kitchen. He was washing dishes, or washing up, or whatever y'all call it, right? It was a sunny day, wherever he was from, washing dishes, and he had rollers in his hair. Rollers in his hair, he had a white beater on, he had a little hair on his arm, he was stinking a little bit. Picture this, y'all. And it just hit him. This is a man. He was like, holy shit, I got that. This is a man's world. And this woman was in the other room. He's like, baby, come in here. I got a song. I think I got a hit. Got my next hit, baby. She was like, what you going on about in there? This is a man's world. His hair dripping sweat. She came in the kitchen. He has rollers in his hair. He was singing, talking all that shit. And she was like, I'm trying to. She was like, what, James? What you got going on? What you talking about? He was like, I got a song, baby. He was like, listen, this is a man's world. He had his eyes closed, right? And she was like, oh, this motherfucker lost his mind. This is a man. She was like, this is a man's world. Okay. So he had his eyes closed, and she went into the bottom cabinet. He didn't know. She was like, you know, real smooth with it. She was like, okay. And down there, he was singing, this is a man's world. She was like, you might want to finish that song. He was like, what you mean? She had a skillet in her hand. Pot or frying pan or whatever. Frying pan in the, yeah. She had a frying pan in her hand, right? He was like, oh shit. I said, hold on, I ain't finished the song, woman. God, got attitude all the time, baby. God damn. So he said, all right, all right. This is a man's world. This is a man's world. She was like, I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed. But it wouldn't be nothing. I mean nothing. Ooh, without a woman, without you, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, Lord. Yeah, he's like, can I get some eggs now next? Ooh, Lord, have mercy. But it won't be nothing. I mean nothing, yeah. Without a woman, oh, I'm good. James Brown is rolling in this grave right now. Thank you. Phil just played.